Hello everyone, apa khabar? Do you know what is the Malay word for to need? So the key word in Malay for this is PERLU. PERLU. Now, to need, we can split it in two contexts. If someone needs something or someone needs to do something. And in Malay, this is split between perlukan and perlu. For example, if someone says, dia perlukan bantuan. Dia perlukan bantuan. So this means he or she needs help. But if someone says, saya perlu balik sekarang. Saya perlu balik sekarang. This means I need to go back now. So the difference is perlukan means needing something. In the first example, the person needs help. The second example is just perlu, and this context, it's to need to do something. So in this case, it's to need to go back. Okay, so how do you say Hashim needs time? So time in Malay is either masa or waktu. Hashim perlukan masa. Hashim perlukan masa. She needs 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour is 2 cawan tepung. Dia perlukan 2 cawan tepung. What about you need to check again? Okay, to check is semak. Check again is semak semula. Awak perlu semak semula. Awak perlu semak semula. Another one, I need some advice. So advice is nasihat. So some advice is nasihat sikit. Saya perlukan nasihat sikit. Saya perlukan nasihat sikit. Okay. So the word perlu can be considered to be formal and it's somewhat proper. So for the example, you need to check again. Now in Malay, it's more common to say this as you have to check again. So instead of awak perlu semak semula, it's awak kena semak semula. So kena is to have to do something. Okay. What if it's on the negative side? If someone doesn't need something. So we just simply add the word tidak or tak in front of perlu. You don't need to go. Awak tak perlu pergi. Awak tak perlu pergi. Or I don't need advice. Saya tak perlukan nasihat. Saya tak perlukan nasihat. Okay. However, in spoken Malay, it's more common to use tak payah instead of tak perlu. So for the example of you don't need to go instead of tak perlu pergi, it's more common for people to say this as awak tak payah pergi. Awak tak payah pergi. So tak payah actually means tak perlu, which is don't need to do something or doesn't need to do something. But if it's just don't need something, it's still tak perlu. For example, I don't need this. So that is saya tak perlukan ni. And you can't say saya tak payah ni because tak payah is you don't need to do something. And this is not needing something. Okay. Last one, if you want to say, I don't need to tell her. To inform or to tell someone something is beritahu or bagi tahu. So in this case, the full sentence is saya tak payah beritahu dia. Saya tak payah beritahu dia. Alright, so that's all for this lesson. See you in the next one.